Hi everybody, today for reading we're going to read one of my favorite stories. It's called Snowmen All Year, so I'm going to get to see what these snowmen do through all the other seasons. I love to build a snowman on freezing winter days, but when the sun is bright and warm, my snowman melts away. There's nothing but a puddle when my snowman disappears. If only he were magic and could stay with me all year. I'd teach him how to fly a kite high above the trees. Then we would dig for pirate gold or sail the 7 seas. I know that he would love to see the tigers at the zoo. And at my birthday party we would celebrate him too. We'd go on all the wildest rides at the amusement park. But best of all would be the fireworks lighting up the dark. On stormy evenings I would play my favorite games with him. On sunny days I'd teach him how to dive and how to swim. On summer evenings in the dark we'd chase some fireflies or sleep out in the quiet woods beneath the starry skies. At the beach we'd play all day. He'd get very sandy. We'd trick or treat on Halloween and bring home lots of candy. Maybe this is magic snow that will not disappear, and this snowman will be the one to stay with me all year. I want you to think, if you had a snowman that could stay with you all year long, what is one thing you would want to do with your snowman? I want you to get just a blank piece of paper and your crayons, and I want you to draw a picture and show me what you would do with your snowman if he could stay with you all year long.